This is a very short video to show you that you can type in answer blanks if they say, like this one does, enter a mathematical expression. So in this blank, you can either type in the answer, but better, you can type in the arithmetic that goes into it and let it calculate the answer. The reason why that's better is because then you don't have to worry about typos or rounding. Because when a problem says go out to 4 decimal places, you can go farther than that and it won't mark it wrong. So 4 decimal places would be pretty far. You'd have to look at the 5th decimal place to determine whether to round up. So if you just type the arithmetic in there, it's easier. So that's true for statistics or college algebra or any course. Now when you click in here though, it has to say this, enter a mathematical expression. Almost all of them do, but some might say enter a reduced fraction or something like that. So if that's the case, then you know that you have to type in a fraction in there or whatever it says to type in, or a list of numbers or a coordinate. So anyway, with this one it says give your answer as a decimal. So on this one we have to multiply the 28% times the 40% times the 52%, and I just went ahead and did that right there. You can preview it if you like and see that it understands it, doesn't have any syntax error, and there's your answer, 0.1456. Then down here it's actually the 40% that take the course minus the previous answer. So I just typed in 0.40 minus the 0.1456. Actually, you can even highlight and copy paste that in there, just don't get that period at the end. So you can do that a lot with these problems, and it saves you from typing it into a calculator, then taking that answer and retyping it in here and possibly retyping it in wrong or rounding along the way. In other words, don't round if you can avoid it, especially along the way. I know some people are like, oh, 1/3 is 0.3. No, 1/3 is 1/3. Really 1/3 is 0.3 repeating. So when you round that to 0.3 or even 0.33, you've rounded a lot, and that round off builds up. So that's the nice thing about just putting the arithmetic in these cells right here. Now, if you haven't used it yet, pretty soon you'll be using Excel to do problems, and that's true whether you're in college algebra or statistics. This is the statistics Excel sheet, but the same idea is true here, that you can take your answers and copy and paste them in. Like for example, this problem here from statistics, I put in the information into the binomial sheet and I have an answer right here. So that's the answer to this first problem. So what I do instead of retyping it in is if you right mouse click on that answer, you can copy it, and then you just go over here and right mouse click and paste it. Now some of you might know shortcut keys, like copy is Control C and paste is Control V, but you can also right click and copy and paste. If you ever need to copy and paste values from a document over to Excel, that's where I always say you have to paste special. And a paste special is, let's see in Excel here, paste special. And what you want to do is paste it at, you can go down here to paste special and paste it special as values. Or if it's from a text, you say paste special from text. So I'm just trying to take care of things that will help you out with less typos and that sort of thing, so that you get your values in there. So I'll stop this problem right there.